Whoa, whoa. Wegonesh wiin, Wegonesh wiin. Whoa, whoa. Wegonesh wiin, Wegonesh wiin. Bonjour, me Andy. You'll think I'm kind of clever. I'm taking practical jokes to a whole other level. Started out as a prank, the thing got way out of hand. Now the whole town is shouting Wegonesh wiin. I'm the best, I'm the greatest joker ever. Wegonesh wiin, Wegonesh wiin. I'm a trick-playing gangster, an artist, a prankster. Wegonesh wiin, Wegonesh wiin. Meshkwaj, Gikinoo'amawaagan. Praveet! Your Nichi Andy here is coming to you live all the way from the other side of the world, Ukraine to be exact. And as you can see, even somewhere new I still managed to get myself a not-so-happy crowd.
You actually ordered 5,000 papakinig off the internet?
Hey, yeah, isn't that Mama Koch? They sell them to pet shops to feed reptiles and birds and stuff, but mine will be used in a prank of Gichi proportions, something that's never been done before, ever.
Oh, what? It'll be Mama Koch.
For a plague of papakinig prank to work best, I'll first need an assembled crowd.
Bonjour, Gakinawa. Next Friday is Wegonesh Day. The Ojibwe of the computer company that installed our new computer system will be joining us at assembly. I expect each and every one of you to be on your best behavior. Gichi Keen, Andy Larkin, Miigwech.
One of my pranking Anikas must be listening to me.
Also, Jen Larkin, come to my office.
Gakina gegu minose ninonje, anini dukonje.
Gonige mijio gimise.
Magaja uzum nipawa to gonige. Let's go find out.
I just wanted to remind you, Jen, that your exchange student, Nikolai from Ukraine, is arriving today at the Gambasing.
Oh, I thought you were kidding around when you told me that last week.
Dishnagas, like I'm kidding around?
It's nice you thought of me for the program, but I quit last year when they told me I couldn't do an exchange with a student from Paris, London, or Rome.
Wow, Nikola, you could have a cute Ukrainian Ikosaints living with you.
Hey, yeah, you know it's really important to be welcoming to foreigners.
Anyway, good luck.
Maymendige Gichi-miigwech zain siwiwat.
Miss Larkin, this isn't a suggestion.
Shkay, I'd love to, but I don't think I have the time to take a...
Bay, Jen. You have at least nisway hours a day that you normally spend on the phone to enrich the life of an exchange student. You owe it to the school.
Well, I guess if I cut down on...
Miigwech. Nikolai arrives at the Gambasing at 5 o'clock.
Gichi-miigwech, super dweeb. You're gonna pay for this.
It's all set up. Here, let me show you. You can be anywhere in the school and have absolute control over the computer system. Bisan done.
Gawin Gikinoo'amawaagan. It's like music to my taligan.
Glad you like it. Yours is the first school to have the entire system. If it's successful when we demonstrate it to the other principals on Friday, then your school will receive a bonus. Junior.
Now that is music to my taligan.
You know, Danny, as East Gackle School enters a technological age, it strikes me that we could have a double whammy prank day with the low-tech papakinig and the high-tech computers.
Andy, since you were so gracious offering Jen services, it's only fair that you help Jen look after the exchange student.
Amiate mama, I'll gladly look after Nicola. Iote yaz rovif me ne crashy rosy hrush.
Oh, Andy, you even learned some Ukrainian from me? Will you be my Vinamoshi?
Alright, my ween assistant looks good. No vegetation on my shiny weebidan.
Jen, indago cinnamon.
Hey, always be prepared for a kiss from a Ukrainian, I always say.
Nikolai, this is Andy.
Okay, forget what I just said.
Привіт, приємно познайомитися з тобою. I'm Nikolai. No speak good English or any Ojibwe yet. I bring panie of house blood sausage Nikolai make.
Miigwech, Nikolai, but blood sausage.
Huh?
Oh, what be this? It's beautiful. Much RAM, yes?
Huh?
And much megahertz. Is yes?
Nikolai, this is Jen.
Oh, wedding or funeral?
Ajana Dagoshin. I had a feeling Nikola could be the love of my life.
Get now. Well, don't let me stand in your way. Nikolai, Wegonesh wiin Nikolai.
Nikolai, Wegonesh wiin Jejutaman, Nimiwin, Gichi-miigwech.
Yes, computer, nice.
Haha, Gewiden Dagos. Minaga get ni mama?
So, he doesn't understand Ojibwe.
Gawinteri, Nikolai isn't an Eastern European acquaintance with model looks, but a hunky Oshkonikans with killer abs. Craig? Who's Craig? Shke, he hasn't been paying any attention to me lately. And Nikolai is so Gikinoo'amawaagan and has such a romantic accent. You'll see, we'll meet you at Beans and Burger.
Andy, Ginishdam, Gichi-miigwech.
Aha! Here in Anishinaabe Kink, or the Ojibwe world, the guest cleans the dishes.
Yes, of course. I happy to. I love learning other cultures.
I could get used to this. And typically in our culture, the guest also cleans the bedroom of whoever asks. Mine's up the stairs, first one on the left, no need to change the bed sheets.
Nikolai love computer. Megahertz is nice, hard drive, firewall.
He sure
network.
knows a lot about Mama Goneganon and getting dishes to sparkle.
You know, Nikolai's computer smarts could come in handy with the school's new computer system. I think he's ready to be promoted from head dishwasher to assistant prankster.
Oh, wow. It's like looking at water.
There's no way we can pull off a high-tech prank on our own if we can't even figure out our computer science homework.
Nikolai wash dishes and Pesik.
I don't even know what that is, but Meshkwaj. BT Dubs, exactly how much do you know about computer science?
Computers. Yes, Nikolai love. No do like that, Andy. Nikolai do. Java, not Linux. Itak.
Oh, wow.
You make it look so easy.
Omapishan, Nikolai. That means come here.
What?
What? I can't take Nikolai out on the town and show him around like I said I was happy to do?
Papa computer.
See how good he is with computers? If Nikolai can hack into the school's new system, I think we could have a high-tech prank to go with our low-tech papakin egg prank.
So, Nikolai, do you like Mazina Teba Jiganan?
I love computer, yes.
Do you have a Weena Moshe in Ukraine?
Computer, yes. You too have computer?
Yeah, I do.
How many megahertz is your computer?
Anini dok?
Men have computer. Nikolai, go see.
He's really good looking. Too bad he's so nerdy.
Men computer, nice.
Hey, there's Craig.
Huh?
Where's he going?
You're a genius, Jen.
I am?
Craig left because he saw you with Nikolai. He's jealous.
Oh, you think that's good?
Duh, yeah. You said before that he wasn't paying enough attention to you, and jealousy is a girl's best friend.
What is Craig?
My low-tech prank arrives today. It's gonna be Mama Koch.
What is prank?
Don't you worry, Nikolai. By the time you go home, you'll know all about pranks.
Andy, please teach Nikolai good Ojibwe. Nikolai have test, got to pass in order to move on to computer school.
Yet. I'll teach you all the Ojibwe you need to know to pass your test. And you can help us with our prank homework.
Ampe, Nikolai.
But we were gonna do computer science homework.
Now gotcha pee, dork. He is my exchange student after all.
What's wrong with this picture?
Well, I think Jen needs to use a better hair conditioner. Ozam Nibwa with split ends.
Boy, Gawin, that's not what I meant. Jen's up to something. Nikolai isn't her idiot type, and he isn't even doing her homework for her. Yet she's always taking him away. I think we need to go check this out.
Oh, bonjour, Craig.
Craig doesn't look like a very happy camper.
Well, he is dating Nimisay after all. Though he is looking a little more miserable than usual, with Jen playing her little jealousy game. Just like Jen, always thinking of herself when Nikolai should be helping Neen. I think we should give Nikolai that Ojibwe lesson. Jen, I promised Nikolai I'd help him study for his Ojibwe test.
How's up, Pisanico? We're finished with our little stroll.
Always Jen take Nikolai. Walk and walk. Nikolai no understand.
That's okay. Jen needs to be walked a couple times a day. I think it's time you started sounding like a real Anishinaabe, and not some computer science textbook. Repeat after me. Daga daga sahau.
Daga daga sahav.
You've already finished Nikolai's Ojibwe lesson for the day?
Hey, yeah, he's a fast learner. Now if we could just get the pranking going.
User has no access to site.
I still can't hack into the school's computer since they installed that Nuchigo new system.
I'm sure Nikolai will help when he finishes our math homework.
Misa goe, Nichi. Nikolai do math, now Nikolai help computer. Prank! Andy help Nikolai with Ojibwe, Nikolai help Andy with computer. Fireball.
He's in, just like that. Oh, it's a Tandawa Nipaka. Not only is Nikolai going to be superb in helping me pull off this double whammy super prank, I could probably even pin the blame on him after. Hey, he's leaving town. What he won't know won't hurt him.
Nikolai is coming with us for a burger.
Hand me it. Take a break, Nikolai.
Yitie gigamuko binanim.
Gichi-miigwech. He is a quick learner.
A few minutes in public with Nikolai and his good Ojibwe, and Jen won't want to be seen with him again.
Mush phoned. He said to tell you the Bapakaneg have landed. What are you up to?
Dagam, Baba. I don't have time to be up to anything. Mush is just having trouble with the pests on his lawn.
Oh, well, as you were.
Let the plaguing begin.
Bourgeois wiin.
Bizana bin manadis.
Wegonesh Gikinoo'amawaagan.
Fugidimagos. Ashamishin wiashish. Onje jashi gago wewi gamig. Mie.
He's just visiting from Ukraine. He's just learning Ojibwe.
Ingojoma mangishtigwan.
I thought they'd be noisier or something.
They will be when they're released. Speaking of which, let's release Nikolai from his brain-numbing evening with Jen and Terry. Then we'll get to work.
Oh, Bizana bin bogidimagos.
Anina Kitawan?
Gingi manadisna. Mangishtigwan bugide.
You wanna get stuffed in a, Michikana Shang can?
Oh, hi. I'll distract Lick and Leech while you get Nikolai back to the house. Mangishiguana Nangana. Kimaji Magazim. Anini Dukanjay.
Yeah, look, Nikolai, we have to go, but you stay with Danny. Our popularity factor is nosediving with him around.
But what about my popularity?
Bugide.
Oh, hi.
I think my low-tech and high-tech pranks need to make way for a revenge prank on Lick and Leech.
Bizana bin manadis.
We better get Nikolai home. I think he learned his Ojibwe lesson a little too well.
Hausa, play the line we hacked out of Duros' Mama Gonagun.
Apajay Kawin Guayakowe. Whoever spray painted Mana this on my Otaban. Ninish got this. I will find you, Gigit. Now, me way.
Hausa, Nikolai. And take that sound there, and put that sound in that sound, and add this sound to that sound, and that sound with this sound, and then play it.
Apajay Mana this, Gigit. Me way.
I also make computer music, Mina. Computer music, nice.
I think we could definitely do something with that Gichi-miigwech. We're gonna have to hurry though. We only have tonight and tomorrow night. Mama Goni Gun Day. I think that will forever be known as Double Whammy Super Prank Day. This is exciting. Mama Koch Aja Nungum Prank Day. Mama Goni Gun Day. You got the steps to take care of Lick and Leech?
Operation Ashkekabwe is ready to go.
The Bapakaneg are ready to spread their wings as soon as they open the stage curtain to the gym. On J away.
Nikolai make. Nikolai do a Ojibwe test yesterday. Andy help Nikolai. Nikolai help Andy. Me godaye jigak.
What he means is that he converted a TV controller into a prank controller. It controls the school bells, the curtain to the stage, Gakinagegu.
The new computer system has been working beautifully, Mr. Grafton.
Mangishtigwan. Bugidamagos.
I'm Beoma.
Get him, boom, Andy. You win.
Miigwech Bell. I think I just saved our little Ukrainian friend here from getting his first wedgie. Thanks to this.
As you can see, Mr. Grafton, the new Mamagonegan system is working marvelously.
Let the games begin.
Wegonen? Hey! I can't turn on my Mamagonegan! The startup button keeps moving!
I've never seen that before.
Of course, the occasional Manajush is bound to come up.
Oh, hi. Papanisia gan. Anin and kamagak.
Code red. A virus has destroyed all of your files.
Oh, Larkin, does this have anything to do with Kane?
Andy is the worst student in the class. He still doesn't know his bits from his bytes. He can't do more than surf the net.
Guilty.
I can't turn it off. The virus has control over the audio control.
Would you niche like some mint ice cream with your strawberry and rocky road?
Come in.
Huh? We're serving Manapamon for lunch? With chocolate bars?
This is what the new Mamagonegan system had delivered for lunch for the next week.
But the Mamagonegan places the orders according to nutritional guidelines.
Anin, Craig, want to sit with us?
Hamayet.
Izanabin Bugadamagos.
Gawin, giwiwi tabi misinunem, ozam totally rude, Gichi-miigwech.
Isagwe yetiye manadis.
Oh, this is Andy's fault. That dweeb.
This is Principal DeRosa to tell you that this coming Tuesday is our Wear Only Bituita-san Day. Any student wearing more than Bituita-san will receive a detention. This has got to be the Anakiwin of that Larkin.
I'm going to take care of my loser Shime right now.
This is our chance to take care of Larkin.
Oh, what are the chances that they're all coming to thank you for taking care of Nikolai?
Pretty slim. We'll just leave. Out the back way.
Our company marvels at the level of students' creativity in their computer science studies. Miigwech.
Miigwech, Mr. Grafton. As you can see, our school is extremely Miigwech dudes and dudettes. But the real reason we're here today is to dig my new tune. Gikinoo'amawaagan. Get up and dance. I order everyone to get up and dance, or there will be detentions for the whole school. Teachers too. Come on and dance. Shake it now, do it on the floor. I'll show you how. Come on and dance, don't be snooty. Come on right now and shake that booty. Oh, the voice is mine, but it's not me.
Andy, our song. Big hit. Mina, manadis.
Ready for lick and leech?
All sticky and ready to go.
Say goodbye to that bonus.
Oh, this is definitely the Anakin of Andy Larkin.
It's not working from here. We'll have to get a little closer.
I'll take that, loser. Now to turn off this racket.
Lick! Don't do it! Notice how I made it look like Lick and Leech are the ones behind the prank? I'm trying to stop them!
You! Huh? Oh!
Kakwana saga kamikowa.
Hey, yeah, you can't beat the beauty of nature. Cause look, Lick and Leech seem to have made some new Wichi-wakanok. Check, please. Now skid out of here. Mr. Hutchins, other way! Go in! Back the other way!
Phew, that was close.
Tell me about it. But wasn't it brilliant? The double whammy! 2 mega pranks coming together like that? No one could have done it better than...
Welcome, Larkin. We were just having a chat about you. You know you're up for a year of detentions for these pranks. Unless you sign this paper. volunteering yourself for the Ukrainian exchange student program.
It was my idea. Do you know your Ojibwe lesson made Nikolai fail his Ojibwe test? And now he doesn't get a scholarship to computer science school.
It's okay, Andy. Company of Mr. Grafton pay for school for Nikolai. Yitie bugodemagos.
Huh? I want Nikolai to work for my company. I've never seen such creative use of technology. We'll get you better Ojibwe lessons.
My parents would never let me go so far away.
Think again.
Huh?
We're very disappointed in you.
There is no way I'm going to Ukraine. It's time I bailed. So, what's the weather in Ukraine like this time of year? The beauty of pranking is that you can do it practically anywhere. Unfortunately, I get the same reactions as I do at home. Well, I gotta run. Mov shati, Port Vorny.